Two things that completely changed the direction of my life at 22. I don't say that lightly because just last year I was also stuck in this loop of consuming and doubting myself and planning, but never actually doing anything about it. If you've ever felt that you're meant for more but you don't know what your first step can be, then this video is for you. Hi guys, this is Nishtha and welcome back to my channel. Part 1. I just stopped waiting for permission and just started. I used to wait for someone else to tell me that this is what you want to do, you're ready, or this is what you should do with your life. And I didn't even realize I was doing that. I'd spend hours trying to plan the perfect project and ask everyone what they thought of my idea. And I'd call it research, but really, I was just scared of starting. Everything shifted when I stopped outsourcing my power and started calling the shots by myself. I just started creating. Even if it was messy, even if it was inconsistent, and even when no one clapped. There's something really wild that happens when you start showing up for your vision even before it's perfect or before it starts making sense to anyone else. You start building momentum, you start building confidence, and you stop feeling like an imposter because you're finally in motion. The antidote to anxiety is taking action. That's exactly what's going to clear all the anxiety and tell you what your next step is. Because I realize that clarity doesn't come from thinking all the time, it comes from taking action. And there's no perfect time where you'll actually feel ready. The truth is, no one's coming to give you a permission slip. That has to come from you. And that's when everything shifted because I stopped waiting and I started doing things. I finally trusted my vision. Part 2. I let go of shoulds and chose what felt aligned to me. There's this insane pressure in your 20s to choose a safe path, a certain path to make your family proud, to have it all figured out, and to do what makes sense. I tried that. I tried doing what I should be doing, and I was miserable. But then one day I asked myself if I wasn't trying to prove anything to anyone, what would I actually choose for myself? And that question completely set me free. I didn't want a traditional path. I didn't want to chase safety. I wanted alignment, freedom, creativity, and meaning. So I gave myself the permission to choose the scary path, to try out every idea I ever had. And that decision to honor alignment over expectation has brought in the people, opportunities, and peace that I was looking for, and the fulfillment that I would never have found if I was trying to follow a script. I know you want clarity and direction to feel like you're on the right path, but sometimes clarity comes right after you take that leap, that first step towards what feels real for you. If you are living a life that looks good but feels wrong to you, you can choose again. These two shifts didn't just change my career or my confidence, they completely changed me as a person. And I really believe they can change something in you too. So let me know in the comments below what you've been waiting to do until you feel ready. What's the one should you're willing to let go of today? If you're on your own journey of becoming, I see you. Because you don't need to have everything figured out, you just need to start.